Hello, welcome to my channel. We are going to learn how to create a user on Hikvision NVR. First, access the NVR and go to the configuration tab. From system menu, go to user management, where you can view, edit, or delete current user. To create a user, click add. For more support, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you. On the pop-up window will be displayed for the following details. Username. Enter the new username in level section. This refers to the access level, which include two sections, operator and user. They have different default and customizable access permissions. Level operator is usually used to access camera operators, while the user level is used for regular users such as the department managers to monitor employees or etc. Admin password. Enter the admin password to authenticate. Password. Enter the new user's password taking into account the complexity mentioned. Confirm. For confirm, re-enter the new user's password. Local and remote difference. What is the difference? On the left side, some items with the prefixes local or remote are visible in the lower part. Local access is used when you want to physically access the NVR, which remote access is used for software, web, or etc. Please note that when you want to set up cameras on NVR or on software and see or access them on the web, please be sure to use chains with the remote prefix. Important items: upgrade format, access for NVR update or format, shutdown and reboot, access for NVR for shutdown or reboot, parameter settings, access to camera parameters, including intrusion access and its settings or etc. Log search, access for searching logs. Camera management, access to camera settings such as a frame rate or resolution or etc. Live view, access to live view images, playbacks, view recording image or video. PTZ control, access to the PTZ cameras controllers. Video export, export video, two-way audio, notifies surveillance center, alert notification to surveillance software such as the IVMS or etc. Manual record, manual recording by the user through software. Playback download, view and download recorded video. Difference in the item under submenu. When you click on remote live, items are displayed in the right box of the page. These items are the same channel as the NVR, which are visible through the configuration. In the configuration, go to menu, system, and camera management. Video export. These options allow the user to export recorded video from the NVR to an external device such as a USB flash drive or hard drive. Two-way audio. This option enables the user to communicate with someone on the other end of camera's audio feed. Notify surveillance center. This option sends alert to surveillance software such as the IVMS when certain events occur on the NVR. Manual record. These options allow the user to manually initiate a recording session from the software, playback, and download. These options allow the users to play back and download recorded videos from the NVR. The difference between the item in the submenus are as follows. When the user clicks on Remote Live View option, the right-hand side of the screen displays items that are the channel of NVR, which are visible through the Configuration, System, Camera Management menu. The user can select channel to view the live feed from a camera. The remote playback. Playback options display recorded videos files that can be played back remotely, while the local playback options display recorded video files that can be played back from the NVR. The remote PTZ control options allow the user to control PTZ, pen, tilt, zoom. PTZ control options allow the user to control a PTZ. PTZ is pan, tilt, zoom, camera remotely. While the local PTZ control options allow the user to control a PTZ camera that is connected to the NVR physically. The remote video export options allow the user to export recorded video files remotely, while the local video export option allow the user to export recorded video files directly from NVR. In summary, creating a new user in Hikvision NVR involves accessing the configuration menu, selecting user management under the system submenu, and click on the add button. The user is the prompt to enter the new user's details, including their username, access level, and password. The user can then assign different permissions to the new user, such as the ability to view live feeds, playback, recorded videos, or export video files. The NVO also provides options for shutting down or restarting the system, accessing cameras parameters, and controlling PTZ cameras, among other things. In the submenu of remote playback items such as a search time, channel selection, and playback control are displayed. Overall, creating a new user in Hikvision involves accessing the user management section on the system menu in the configuration tab, clicking on add, and filling in this required information such as the username, access level, admin and user password, and specifying the access privilege for both local and remote use. Additionally, users can customize their access NVR features and settings by selecting different items under each submenu. It's important to note that when making change on the NVR remote access, users should ensure that the changes are applied with the remote prefix to enable access via software, web, and other remote means. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget for subscribe and like. Thank you.